Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Knowledge Chest, where I make learning accessible for blind and visually impaired users. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I provide one-on-one demonstrations for those who need extra help. You can find all my contact details in the bio section of this channel. In today's video, we're going to explore document properties in Microsoft Word, and you will find that NVDA reads all screen elements very well. We will also explore how to access and use fields in headers and footers. Let's get started. If a key sequence is pressed and NVDA does not read everything, just keep on pressing the keys and Word will end up at the correct place. Once again, I want to state that this has been tested with Word in Office 2024, 2021, and 2016. I even mention Office 2010 further along the line. Understanding document properties. Document properties provide useful details about a file, such as the author's name, word count, or even the date it was last modified. Some of these properties update automatically, while others can be edited manually. To access document properties, press Alt+F to open the file menu. A list of text options appears on the left side of the screen. If focus isn't already on info, press Y to navigate to it. Press Tab to move to Properties, then press Enter to open the sub-menu. Press Enter again to activate Advanced Properties. This opens a dialog box where you can review and modify fields like title, subject, or keywords. Use Tab to navigate through these options and press Enter to confirm changes. Some properties, like the username, are controlled by Word itself rather than being document-specific. To edit these, press Alt+F to open the File menu. Press T for options. Navigate to the username field by pressing U or Tab. Modify it as needed, then Tab to the initials field. To access more settings, press Ctrl+Tab to move to the Advanced section, and Tab to the mailing address field. Note that in some organizations, these details may be restricted from editing. Headers and footers help provide essential document details, such as the author's name, the company logo, the file name, or the date the document was accessed. To insert fields in the header or footer, press Alt, then J, then H to access the header and footer ribbon. From here you can press D to add date and time. Press I for document info such as author, file name, or file path. Press P to insert a picture such as a company logo. For Word 2010 users, document properties are located in the Quick Parts section of the header and footer ribbon. Press Alt+J, then H, then Q, then D to access document properties. If you need more detailed fields, select Document Info, then choose Field to open a dialog box with a variety of properties. Some examples include numwords for word count, style ref to track the last use of a specific style, user address to insert the company's mailing address. After adding a field, press the right arrow to exit the field and continue editing your document. Searching for document properties in File Explorer. Another benefit of document properties is that they can be searched for in File Explorer. Open File Explorer with Windows+E, press Ctrl+F to activate the search feature. Type the keyword or phrase you want to find. This could be in the file name, a document property, or even within the document's body text. Keep in mind that searching within file names and document properties is faster than searching within the document text. That wraps up our guide on document properties and using fields and headers and footers in Microsoft Word. These features can help organize your documents, add important details, and even make them easier to find later. If you need further assistance, remember that I offer one-on-one demonstrations. Check out my bio section for more information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more accessible tech tutorials. See you next time.